I'm doing a demo at a meetup tonight. And I figured because I've got it ready, I might as well just record it and share it out. So on the screen, what you see here is I've got on the left side, this is just a quick UI that I put together to simulate a pipeline of information being run through an agentic workflow. On the right side, on the upper right, is the Inngest dev server. And then on the bottom, I've got my two terminals. Those are running. Let's say you've got a pipeline of 10 different sources that you're all pulling at the same time. And what you want to do is, in a happy path, you run the pipeline and it's going to run and there's not going to be any issues and everything looks fine. It's gonna, everything comes through at the same time and we can then complete that run, and that run is going to go through and we assume that everything is good. But there's also going to be times where something fails. And if something fails during that, the reason why we build these durable workflows is because if something fails, everything else is cached. So all the other steps here are cached and we're not having to rerun them. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say that we've got our Postgres databases down and maybe there's a webhook, something goes down. Let's take a look at what happens here. If I run the pipeline and we see this, we're going to see immediately that my webhook is failing. It's going to do some retries. I'm going to open both of these up so you can see. So there's going to be retries every about 5 seconds is what I've got it here. Let's say the Postgres database comes back online. We should see that this next one is going to come back and it's going to succeed. Oh, there it is. This is the one. Sorry. The other one is the webhooks. So let's turn the webhooks on, and on attempt 10, now we see it goes green and everything succeeded. So we'll close these. And now that all of those 10 sources have come in, now we're going to finish the run and it's going to complete. But now let's say something actually goes offline. And this is where we've used queues in the past. So I'm going to run this again and we're going to say this is working, no problem. I'm going to run the pipeline. We're going to see this running. Now I'm going to kill the dev server. We've cut it off midstream. So somewhere the app is broken, internet goes down. There's the attempt 1. And if I restart the dev server again, this is now no longer in queued. This is now going to complete and we're going to see this finish. So let's see this wait. We're going to wait for this to finish on the finalization. And there we go. So the run completed. And this is huge, especially for AI agents. When you're building an agent and it's going to be a long running agent and something inevitably is going to break somewhere. If you build these durable steps, you don't have to worry about one piece of the function breaking, one API call, maybe a service is down, or you're running around and you close your laptop and your agent is now stopped running. When you reopen it and restart the dev server, it picks up where it left off. And we're not having to regather all of that information. All these previous steps are cached and we don't have to get them again. So this is a perfect example of where an AI agent or an agentic workflow is going to be hugely benefited by using ingest and durable workflows, queues, and retries.